Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about two disadvantages of erasing memory. Neuroscientific research on removal of unpleasant and traumatic memories is still at a very early stage but is making a rapid improvement. However, this topic is very debatable because people cannot agree if it's beneficial for people or not. So as a result, this topic divides humanity into two sides. One group says that it's beneficial because it can save human lives, especially who has mental problems and who do not respond to medication or any kind of treatment. According to their perspective, human life is the most important and we should take care of it no matter what. And second, on the other hand, other group of people strongly suggest that it's not ethical and its side effects are more than its advantages at the end. Today, I choose to present the viewpoint of second group of people, since I also support their idea. Firstly, this process is not going to change individual's life completely. It can help removing one memory, but it's obvious that all the memories are connected to each other like a chain. If you remove one of memories, the rest is not going to make sense at all. For example, imagine someone's dad dies in a tragic car accident. Is removing this person's memory going to change their lives? No. Is this person going to know about their dad anytime soon? Probably, because it's life and this topic is eventually going to come up. This person can forget the moment she lost her father and some time period after her father's death when she felt depressed, but it's not possible to remove all the timeline after her dad's death. Removing the memory is not going to bring her father back as well. However, they can still choose this method, but again, even if no one tells her about this tragic accident, I strongly believe that living with a lie is worse than living with the trauma. Also, erasing memory can cause confusions after the process, which we also saw in the movie Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. My second argument about this topic is that memory erasing is not ethical. It can fundamentally change humans' nature. Life is not perfect and it should not be. That's what makes it fun, in my opinion. There are ups and downs in everyone's life, and that is what makes us humans in the first place. We learn from our mistakes. Imagine a world where everyone makes mistakes over and over again without realizing it because they remove this bad memories which happened because of a mistake. That's why I think it's not a really good idea for human nature as well. Second of all, it's not ethical because not everyone will be able to afford this treatment because uh, not everyone has the same income, and imagine wealthy people add happiness to their happiness by removing their unpleasant bad memories, but poor people can't afford this and it's gonna affect them more. Uh, and Rather than these situations, one can remove others' memory on purpose or by accident, which could be helpful in an investigation. As a result, I strongly disagree with the idea of removing memory. I think it has a lot of disadvantages, which I mentioned in my speech. I believe living with a bad memory is what a regular human should have, and we should not change this at any situation. Thank you so much for listening.